Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on Lumber Capital Log Yard. We have been bundling all today and we're actually running out of pallets to put the bundles on. So we're going to run down to Schoen's, which is a local hardware store just down the road from us, and pick up some more pallets. But then after that, the fun part, right? We're actually going to take a trip down to 5 Star, which is just down the road from that, and check on a repair that is happening to our skidder right now. It's been in the shop for quite some time, and as you can imagine, the boss is not that pleased about it. So we're going to actually take a trip down and check it out. And if you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned. Let's get into the video. All right, and we are off. The boss said that we need like 20 pallets, so those will be fun to load. Haha, that was sarcasm. We actually had to wait for my mom to get back with the small trailer because she's helping my grandfather with a repair on the roof of our barn, actually. So she has had the small trailer for a few days now, and so we have it back here, and after we finish loading it up with pallets and then getting all the pallets unloaded, we actually have to put a cord in this trailer for my delivery this afternoon. So a lot to do and very little time to do it. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there, you know? All right, so the pallets are actually on the other side of this building here, so we are going to pull into this place, see if we can get ourselves adjusted so that I can back up. Can get these pallets loaded. Do you see them? Okay, yeah, there's a whole pile of them over there. Might have to put her in 4-wheel. We're going through the grass. All right, wonder how heavy these are. You know, the thing about pallets is that you'll pick up one and it's like as light as a feather, and then you'll pick up another one and it's made of like hardwood and it's super heavy. It's like a freaking rock. I can't believe just how like different each one is. Our second destination here. I'm just gonna try and get pulled around so I'm ready to go out here, so just give me a second. to go. So the fact that it's in for repairs already is very unfortunate. Alright, so I have John here with me, and he's going to talk a little bit about what's going on with this skidder here, and hopefully you guys enjoy the show.
So your dad was having an issue with it being sluggish, a transmission light that was coming on. He would shut the key off and then turn it back on, and it would run fine. Through diagnostics, we were out on the left log landing, and Nick Kaminsky was out there, and running back and forth, we were thinking it would be better to get it in the shop so we could do some tests on it. So we did an injector test on it, found out the injector failed, and there's a weak high pressure pump. So, that's where we're going with it now. Called your dad this morning, explained to him. It's a little pricey, but we're doing our best to keep the cost down for him. So that's where we're at.
How much longer do you think it's going to be in the shop for?
Well, the pump's going in it today. We had to order the injectors, and then with the injectors, there's fuel lines that get hooked to those. Those should be in by the end of the week, but I would say midweek, next week, we'd have it back together.
All right. Well, how long has it been in? It's been in the shop?
Yesterday. It was just yesterday. When your dad, me and your dad were talking, he said he could be without it for 3 weeks. So we're going to get him 4 to 3 weeks.
Well, what he meant by 3 weeks was he really needed it yesterday.
You lied to me.
That's of course, yeah. But, thank you for being a part of this. Thank you, sir. And I much appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time.